Hey y'all, thanks for stopping in. Appreciate you taking time out of your busy schedule to stop in and see what it is I'm up to. It is a rainy day here today. It's not real bad. It's still it's in the mid upper 70s anyway. The next couple of days it's supposed to drop down. We're going to be down into the low 50s by Wednesday. So you gotta love Florida. Anyway, it is the beginning of the month, so it is time to submit a new picture to Best Damn EDC. If you don't watch that channel, it's about what people carry in their pockets. It used to be just, a bunch of junk you had in your pockets. Now it's a actual thing. So, anyway, I took a couple pictures. I'll be posting them to Instagram and over to Best Damn EDC later on, but I thought I'd go ahead and show y'all. Now, anybody that's watched me at any rate knows this is my go-to hot sauce. It's El Yucatero's special blend, black label blend, whatever. It generally rides in here in the door. I always carry reading glasses. I picked these up at Dollar Tree the other day. I didn't even know they had folding readers. These are actually fairly nice ones. So there's those. I'm going to put them up there. I've been actually using them. There's a folding knife. Pretty sure this is an Elk Ridge. I think both the knives I'm carrying today are Elk Ridge. Yep, that's an Elk Ridge folder. Got this off of Amazon. When I first got it, I wasn't real happy with it because it didn't like to open all the way. But using it and using it and using it, well, using it occasionally or whatever, carrying it occasionally and using it, it's worked out. So anyway, it's on Amazon. I'll try to remember to add a link down to the bottom. It wasn't expensive, under $15. Let's see, back in this pocket again. There's not much in this pocket. We have my wallet that I made. It's a trifold. I guess I should have thought about what's in there before I opened it all up, huh? Oh well. Two compartments inside for cards, and your bills fold across the whole thing, and then it folds up, and on the one side there is a organizer to keep. I keep a mini mag light and a mini Sharpie. It's amazing how often those things come in handy. My hat, whichever hat I happen to be wearing of the day, but today it was the black one, so it got it in the picture. Let's see, over here we have another Elk Ridge. This one is a fixed blade. I like this blade. The only thing I don't like is the snap. It's a little difficult to get snapped sometimes. It's a nice small knife. It's got nice jimping on the top. I don't understand the hole in the blade, but it is what it is. But it's a nice sturdy knife. It stays pretty sharp. So that's in my pocket. It could be on a belt. I don't wear a belt. I wear suspenders, so it's a little difficult. Danglers don't always work for me. They end up ripping your belt loop off. A dangler is meant to be worn with a belt, so dangler doesn't really work. I like the smaller knives that go in my pocket. Let's see. I have this little slip. Inside of it is this Wengler Swiss Army knife. I think we decided that it's a Highlander, but I'm not 100% sure. So anyway, there's that. I carry, let's get it all out. There's a lighter. You know, I don't smoke, but you never know when you need a lighter for anything from if you're sewing or, you know, lighting a fire to cook or anything else. So I also carry, there's another flashlight. I don't remember which one this is. It's not a high dollar one. I think it came from AutoZone or O'Reilly's or one of those places. Lux Pro, but it's plenty bright enough to do what it needs to do. I haven't replaced the batteries in it. I've been carrying it for probably a year. Yeah, it just does what it needs to do, just like the mini mag light. You know, I'm not. If I want to go out and, you know, if I'm out in the woods or whatever, and I'm wanting to really hit something up, well, I've got flashlights that'll do that. You know, that'll shoot way out there. So I don't need to carry that big one, you know. And then last but not least is a memorial gem. The girls took some of the old Mrs. Ashes and mixed them in with resins and whatnot, and everybody's got a memorial gem. And they've been left in some of her favorite locations. So anyway, that's it. Short, quick, and to the point. Yeah, let me know what you think. Give me a thumbs down or a thumbs up. Leave me a comment wherever it is y'all leave comments on your internet access device of choice. If you'd like to check me out, if you'd like to share me around in your social media, that'd be fandoculous. If you want to check me out on Facebook or Instagram, I'll have some links in the description box, wherever that happens to be on your device of choice. You'll also find links to similar videos and my email and my snail mail. And yeah, cancer's an insidious disease, people. There's all different types. It has so many different symptoms. The one that's affected me the most has been breast cancer. It took the old miss a little over a year ago. Breast cancer, while it's most prevalent in women, does affect men. Something like 1 in 1,000 men can get breast cancer. It doesn't just affect the chest or breast muscle. It can also get into your lymph nodes, down in your armpit, or in your neck, down your groin. It could feel like a blind pimple. It could be an area that just refuses to stop itching. It could be a spot that just feels thick. It just doesn't feel right. If something just doesn't feel right, and you know what right means, you've been touching yourself all your life, go talk to a doctor. If your loved ones are nearby, give them a kiss and a hug. If they're not, give them a call. Hit them up on Facebook. Let them know you think about them. Let them know you love them. Let them know you care. Sorry, my lights were on. We're not promised tomorrow, people. If you're estranged, forgive, forget, apologize. You may not get another chance. Maybe they won't get another chance. Maybe it'll be you perusing the handbook for the recently deceased. I hope not. I hope to see y'all again, and until I do, hope you have a fandoculous day. Sláinte, y'all. Bye-bye.